Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Adeola Super. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use white sugar and your shower gel to make body scrub to exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cells on your skin. This body scrub will also help to naturally brighten up dark armpits, dark elbow, dark nail and dark knuckle. The first ingredient I will be using is white sugar. Sugar is one of the best natural beauty ingredients to exfoliate the skin, to remove the dead skin from the body, and also to make the skin look radiant and give it a healthier glow. And I will be making use of 1 cup of white sugar. Right here I'm using 1 cup of sugar, then later on I will add the 2nd cup of the sugar. So this is the white sugar right here, and the next ingredient I'll be using is honey. Honey is one of natural skincare that helps to deeply moisturize and hydrate the skin. The honey is about 3 tablespoons, and you can add it as much as you like because honey helps to lighten scars and hyperpigmentation. The next ingredient I'll be adding is coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to moisturize the skin, and you can also add any oil of your choice. The next thing I'll be adding is Nivea shower gel, and it contains argan oil. So you can add any shower gel of your choice, whatever you are using, and you can also add any body wash of your choice. I'll be adding jojoba oil, and you can add any natural oil of your choice. You can add almond oil, vitamin E oil. You can also add essential oil. So this body wash I'm using, and it's about 250 ml. So I'm going to use all the body wash. I'm adding it to the natural ingredient I had before to make body scrub. Your measurement of body wash you use to mix the sugar will determine the consistency, how the sugar scrub will be. For me, I don't want the body scrub to be too thick so that it will be very easy to massage all over the body. That's why I want it to be a little light, to be in a very creamy texture. So right now I will mix all the ingredients together. So this sugar body scrub is very creamy and it's very nice with the aroma of the body wash. So please guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly press the red button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to on your notification bell so that anytime I drop the new video you get notified. Thank you as you do that. This time I'm adding the 2nd cups of the sugar because I don't want the sugar scrub to be watery and too thick. So it should be a little bit thick, but not too thick and not too watery. So the texture depends on how you want it to be. This body scrub is mainly for a whole body, to massage your body, to make your body feel relaxed, and also to brighten up a dull skin, and also to get rid of dark armpits, dark nail, dark elbow and dark knuckles. By massaging your body with body scrub, that will help whatever body lotions or oils you are using to work more better on your skin. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you are watching me for the first time, I welcome you to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When applying this sugar scrub on your skin, please massage it gently in a circular motion. Don't be too hard with it to avoid skin redness. So just do it in a gently way, soft way to massage it. In addition, this body scrub also helps your body to feel relaxed and feel calm after a stressful day at work, or you feel tired or you feel weak. Just massage your whole body with this body scrub, then rinse it off with warm water. That is that if you want to use it to relax your body. After you have massaged your body with this body scrub, you can just soak your body in the bath, or you just wait like 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it with warm water. Then after that, you can apply your body treatment oil on your body after the shower. So don't leave your body without applying your moisturizer or your body treatment oil. So right here, I'm using the sugar scrub to scrub my hand in order to make it soft and smooth, and also to prevent the wrinkles, and also to clear the dark knuckles. This my hand after I rinse it with warm water. Then I'll go ahead to apply my hand cream. Please don't forget to moisturize your skin to avoid dryness. If you have any question concerning this video, please don't forget to drop it in comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is going to be the end of the video. See you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.